everybody, it's me, Tess, with Tess Loves Yarn, and you guys, as you can see, I am home. I am in the yarn room, and I have a yarn unboxing for you today that I am super excited about because y'all know I've been up at Mayo Clinic, so I have been going up there for all of this pancreatic stuff going on with me. You know, they found cancer and um, all that thing. And, you know, you kind of need your pancreas. Yeah, you do. And didn't realize how much your pancreas does for your body, including your digestion and all of that stuff until this all happened with me. So, yeah, I've been having problems with low blood sugar. They did a biopsy right before Thanksgiving, and that came back. They found cancer. So anyway, we got on the phone with Mayo Clinic. Mayo has accepted me as a patient, and I've been up there several times now since Thanksgiving. So, yeah, that's in case you're new here, that's what's been going on with me. And anyway, the yarn unboxing I have came from the Wool Warehouse in the UK, and it was actually purchased uh, and sent to me. Well, it was sent directly from the Wool Warehouse, but my sweet yarny friend, Vicky, oh my gosh, Vicky Keith, I can't believe she just blows my mind. She is such an amazing person, you guys. She actually went on a mission to find pickle yarn for me because the yarn that I was using to do my crochet for cancer, my daughter came up with that crochet for cancer. I have always made these emotional support pickles. I have been making these for years and selling these at markets, craft fairs, Christmas boutiques, that kind of thing. My daughter was like, Mom, you need to put a purple hair bow or a purple bow tie on your pickles and call them pancreatic pickles. Crochet for cancer, pancreatic pickles. And she researched some very good pancreatic cancer research um, institutes, facilities, whatever you want to call them. And we found a very good one that we are donating money to with selling our pancreatic pickles. We are able to donate money for pancreatic research, which is very much needed because the reason why pancreatic cancer has such a high mortality rate, it's like one of the highest mortality rates of all the cancers. And it's because most people don't have signs or symptoms of pancreatic cancer until it's too late. And that's a huge problem, right? So we need more research to find out how to treat late stage pancreatic cancer so that more people can survive and you know, live their life, right? And anyway, so my pickle yarn I get from Michael's, and it is the Loops and Thread Chanel Slim yarn. It's like a plushy yarn. It's super soft. And it's in the colorway Agave, which I think is perfect for a dill pickle. But Michael's, for some reason, discontinued Agave. This colorway is no longer available. So you can't you can't get it on the website, can't get it in the stores, can't get it anywhere. Vicky was like, Tess, the pickle production must continue. And she went on a mission to find me some yarn to make my pickles with. So she even looked at her Michaels in her hometown, because she doesn't live in my state. She lives more east of me. And anyway, her Michaels didn't have it either. So she went looking and she found some yarn that she thought might work from the Wool Warehouse in the UK. And she ordered it from the Wool Warehouse and had it sent directly to me from the UK. So, you guys, it's amazing. Look at this giant bag. So, I have pickle yarn here, and my daughter was super excited to hand me that package when we came through the door. When we got home from Mayo. It was an 8-hour drive, so trust me, it was all I could do not to rip it open right then, but I wanted to open it on camera with all of you guys and with Vicky. So Vicky, honey, if you're watching, oh my gosh, mwah. Lots of love and big hugs to you, Vicky. You have been so supportive and just have had my back, girl, and I'm, oh, so thankful for you. And real quickly, because I have had so many of you out there. You guys are my yarny friends. You guys know I care so much about you because you've always been there for me. You've lifted me up. You have made dark days bright. You give me strength and hope with your stories and everything. And I wish I had the energy to write back to every single comment. I just don't, and I hope y'all understand. But I read every single comment. I lay in bed because I get super tired. That's like my big thing. Besides my low sugar, I just get super tired, right? So, yeah, and I'm having some low sugar right now. So I'm going to be sipping on some Coke while we talk here. Sorry, y'all. Sorry, it goes along with my condition. My sugars go super low, and it's not good. That's not good. But I just wanted to really quickly shout out some people who have gone to my Etsy store and have purchased pickles and even other items like you know, the other things that I sell, my patterns, my other little critters that I make, my bees, my chickens, you know, the things. So I'm gonna give just a quick shout out to some people here, and of course Vicky Keith. Vicky is a repeat supporter on Etsy. Thank you, Vicky. You know I love you, girl. Yeah. So Vicky, and these are in no particular order, and I hope and pray that I do not forget anybody. So if I do, please let me know and I will catch your name in the next video. But yeah. Michelle Garrettson, Jessica Chavez, Maria Richards, Maxine Miller, Amy Vermillion, Catherine Schumann. I think Maxine has actually purchased a couple of different times too. Kennetha Hicks. Kennetha, thank you, dear. Kennetha got one of my big Giga Pickles. I only had 3 of them. Kennetha got one of those, and actually, Vicky Keith got one of the big Giga Pickles as well. And let's see, there was another person who got one of my big Giga Pickles. Like I said, I only had enough yarn to make 3 of those. We called them Giga Gherkins because they were humongous. But yeah, Kennetha did get one of those, and she got 2 of the smaller ones too. Let's see, but I'll find the next person and I'll let you know. But there's Jo Ellen Cynical, Susan Humiston. There is Lori Overhoff, Maria Richards, and Maria Richards is the other person who got a Giga Gherkin. Those were the big, huge pickles, you guys. And then I have Brenda Morrison and Denise Hardfit. So you guys, thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot tell you how grateful I am for your love, your kindness, and your support, you guys. Mind blown. Thank you for all of that. It means really more than words can ever say. So thank you. So you guys, if you are interested in my Crochet for Cancer pickles, my pancreatic pickles, they are in my Etsy shop, and I'll put a link below. But right now, let's open this yarn that Vicki sent me, and let's see what this looks like, you guys. Because I mean, I am like, oh my gosh. Oh yeah, it says return address Wool Warehouse, and that is in Leamington Spa, United Kingdom. So yeah, that is like so cool. So I have yarn all the way from the UK, everybody, that Vicki found for me, and so I can continue the fight here and making my pickles, which I absolutely love making the pickles, you guys. It's so calming, and it gives my hands something to do, and it gives my mind something else to think about, right? So it's a great thing, and I do enjoy making pickles. It's one of my favorite things to make, and they're super cute. I think they're super cute. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Ah! You guys! Look! Oh my gosh! Vicki, honey! This is it! This is pickle yarn! Oh my gosh, you guys! And I got bunches of it. Look! There's like, oh my gosh! Look at this, you guys! Look at all this! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 balls of pickle yarn, you guys! This is amazing! Oh, look at that! You guys, that is almost the exact same color. And actually, it's even a little bit of a better color than the old yarn. I mean, this is absolutely, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at that. That is amazing. And this is even a better color. Vicki, oh my gosh, girlfriend, you did it. I can't believe it. This is amazing. Look at this, you guys. Isn't this a better color even than my other pickle yarn? I mean, this isn't coming up on the camera quite as green. It's coming out like a little more grayish, but it is green. Let me see if I put it back here a little bit. Yeah, it's just my lighting and everything is not the best, but the new color is actually even a little better. So I am tickled pink, y'all. I am just tickled pink. Holy heckamoles. Vicky, girlfriend, you did it. I honestly, I couldn't find any yarn. I do have to say, I did not go internationally looking like Vicky did. Now, isn't she the smart one? You know, if you can't find it at home, go abroad, right? So, goodness gracious alive, I am super excited. So anyway, I am gonna start making more pickles, you guys, because now I have yarn. So if you all want to get a crochet for cancer pancreatic pickle to help me in the fight against pancreatic cancer, I invite you, please go to my Etsy shop. Know that your money is going for a very good cause, and maybe someday we'll have a cure for pancreatic cancer, or at least be able to give people who, give people a fighting chance, right? So, anyway, thank you everybody for watching. All of my returning subscribers, thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. You guys know I love ya. Love y'all. If you're new here and you like me, I'd be tickled pink if you'd hit that subscribe button. Yeah, that helps my channel grow and that makes me happy, gives me something to do. And yeah, I just appreciate all of you so much. With that said, be kind, be safe out in the world, no matter where you are. And I will see you all soon. I promise. Okay? Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Bye.